I need a drink. You have that?
Don't dude, I've seen you drink stuff. Dude. I'm not even playing this. Look at that, dude. That's yellow water.
It's butt water,
Makes
dude.
me wonder if someone peed in my seat.
The homeless are out here.
This is the whole reason I didn't drive yesterday and today, is because I didn't want to deal with this.
Oh my god.
Because literally we were on the freeway and like we couldn't cover the car quick enough to deal with this. I took the cushions home and dried them out in the dryer, but like there's not really a good way to handle this. But I figured if I don't at least get this out now, it's gonna freeze into an ice block on our way back to Utah. So I gotta do my best to dry it out. What were you saying?
I said just sit in it, then dries right up.
No, dude, that's what I was trying to avoid. You got jokes, bro. Going on 5 cups of water here. I guess it's clean now.
Yeah.
At least it's kind of clean.
Just put some Dawn dish soap in there and, you know, rub
And
it
just
around.
give it the full,
Yeah.
full cleaning.
Brandon Witnick's detailing service.
Yeah, right.
How can we help you?
I am the clean king. You take your wet towel and you mush. Mush, 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 mush.
Is that Merrick Wembley?
Yeah. And then you go like this, you go.
So this is the damage we got on the wing from when it flew off. It's not that bad, but not that good. On a side note, like the front bumper trumps this in comparison to damage.
When is damage ever good? You said it's not that bad, but not that good. When is it ever good?
Listen. I don't see it leaking out, so I don't know how it got in.
The holes in the bottom, son. What do you mean?
So I hope that's not against the rules in hot pit. We're gonna use active ballast. You know, so when you transition, it goes wham and slams the back end. You got a pound and a half of water helping you out. So we're leaving Adams Motorsports Park. The car did not leave the trailer today or yesterday. Bye, Wout. I won't see you in Vegas. We're about to hit the road headed to Vegas. Literally like have no content because we haven't really been doing anything. Just kind of chilling. But like I said, the main focus is getting the S13 ready for hot pit, and so that's kind of my focus around this whole trip. So didn't do any laps at Adams, kind of bummed, but not really. I just knew this wasn't the car for this part of the trip. So we're off to Vegas. We're gonna pick up Jacob tonight and we're gonna go do some Vegas stuff and have a good time. We may or may not find a cheap car for the challenge tomorrow. Just depends on how the night goes, so we'll see. right, guys, we're out here at Pahrump Valley Speedway today, and this is the Chump Car Challenge of Drift Week. People are supposed to be buying cheap cars and come out here and smash them up and crash them. Let's walk around and see what we can find, who's got what. We didn't end up doing it, but there are some cars showing up that people have got. What do we got here? Whose car is this?
Ours, I guess. Yeah.
Give me the rundown. What do we got?
Pop the hood. We got a twin turbo straight 6 that we picked up for 650 bucks.
No way.
Yeah. Come on, you don't know how to pop the hood on this thing?
What year is it? 05?
I have no idea.
You don't know? It doesn't matter, right? 03. Volvo something or other.
Twin charge, 2 turbos.
Yeah.
It wasn't
Wow.
rod knocking when we picked it up.
It's got rod knock?
Yeah.
What happened?
He got really excited.
One warm up is what I did.
One warm up. There's oil everywhere.
Yeah, it's because the coupler's torn.
Oh, that's just normal Volvo stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that.
You guys decorated it?
Through there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
I had some spray paint for my car because we were gonna go to Hoonigan.
Yeah.
And I was gonna do a little touch up.
Okay.
So
Just go for it.
Yeah, we were like.
Was it running pretty good?
Yeah.
It's pretty fast?
Yeah,
You guys were slated to win it, huh?
Yeah.
What else do we got here? We still are. You gonna run it till the rod's through the block?
Yep. Absolutely.
Put some gear oil in it. What? Oh yeah, perfect. That's the move. Perfect. That ought to be nice. What do we got? 4 doors. Let's see who else shows up. So we got another vehicle. What's this?
Probably for the Cadillac.
We have another contender, Suzuki Grand Vitara. That's actually a pretty good one. I mean, she's not mine. I think this might be the winner.
It might actually finish.
There you go, boys. Four seats, all-wheel drive. We got under the hood. That's a V6. It's got full support. I don't think this car is going to be the winning car, but they definitely found the most interesting car. There's like at least 8 people in there. That's wild. They drove into Vegas to pick that thing up. And I don't know about that. I think they're getting a high standard out there somewhere. Also, they said the Volvo stopped rod knocking. They put some gear oil in it and it's not making noise anymore. They drove to McDonald's in the back. It's fully tested, ready to hit the track. This is the winning car right here.
Twin turbo, show red. I mean, minor huge boost leaks, but that's fine.
The boost leak keeps the car from blowing up.
Exactly, that's what we were thinking.
Calibrated boost leak.
That's what we call that. Yeah.
You hear it? Fully knocking. That lid was actually Ron's taking him on the outside.
Sounds dumb.
Sounds like everybody's gonna have problems, and it's gonna be amazing. Living my life.
So we're about to hit the road back to Utah. We're just gonna grab a quick lunch here and then road trip it on back there. We had a blast at the Pahrump track. Aaron got some laps in his car. Mark got to do some laps. Mark was telling me that's the first time he's driven that car since he's owned it, which is crazy. I mean, like on a track, really. But yeah, that Derby was pretty fun to watch. It's kind of a bummer we didn't have a car, but that's how it shakes down sometimes. Truck was really struggling to get up this hill. The temp was getting up there. Kelly said the turbo was glowing.
Started stinking real bad.
They're up there cooling it with snow. Yeah, it smells like burning oil and stuff. The trans was getting hot. I really don't want to fry a brand new motor. Yo! Yo! What? Is it still glowing?
Yeah. What do you think about that?
What are the chances our starter wire is not going to work now? Remember how the starter wire is resting on the manifold? It's not good. Those are our buddies that we rescued their car the other day, took our car off the trailer. Now they're coming to check on us when we're pulled over. I love Drift Week. What a solid community of friends helping each other out.
It's not that cold.
It's snowing, Kelly.
Yeah, but like it was colder in California. Like it's probably 34 degrees right now.
There is snow on my car.
Your car Hey, covers up my damage. What's happening?
So we made it back to Utah, but we drove through some gnarly snowstorm stuff, and this is what we came back to. A bunch of snow on the ground. That means it's gonna be snowing out at the track for UMC. We got 2 more days of drift week of drifting at UMC. And it's probably gonna be snow on the track. So we'll see how that unfolds. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.